In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your USDT wallet address on KuCoin. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form. And this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account. But if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. This is very easy. Just go to assets or click add funds, then go to deposit crypto. And now we need to select the coin. So just click here and search for the coin, it's this one, and now select the network. So if we click here, we can see the full list of all the networks available for this coin. And you just need to select the network that you want to use. So for example, let's say we want to use the BNB network. It's important that you know the exact network you want to use because otherwise you can lose the money. Just select the network you want to use and you will find your wallet address right here, and we can just copy it and send it to anyone. And this way people can send us money to our wallet directly on this coin. Or we can also click scan QR code so people can scan it and send USDT to our wallet. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.